So let me show you how to actually earn money with impact.com using just Facebook and ChatGPT. So the first thing you need to do is you want to register on impact.com and you want to join an affiliate offer and you want to get your affiliate link. So I am currently in one of my impact.com affiliate accounts, and this is what the interface will look like these days. So there's been a revamp of this website, and I am sorry to tell you that it looks even worse than before. However, you can find big brands here, and these big brands, they are ready to pay you money for affiliating their product and helping them make sales. So the first thing you need to do again is to register on the platform. I already have a video that shows you the entire step-by-step process of registering on this platform, so I'm not going to go through that video now. So if you register, you want to do two things. First, you want to find a product that you affiliate, and then you want to get your affiliate link. And after that, we want to go to ChatGPT. I'll give you the prompt to use, and then we want to now go to Facebook and basically start promoting this offer organically. So once you've registered, you want to find offers. So to find offers, you want to come here, and then you want to come here where we have discover, and then you have three kind of offers on impact.com. So the first one is brand, the second one is product, and then the third one is campaign. So brands on impact can actually pay you to do like a video, a gig for them, and this falls under the campaigns. So for physical products, you likely find them under the products, and then for brands, we find them under the brands. So I'm going to work with brands here, so I'm going to select brands. So for brands, you can find different kind of brands that you can join and earn affiliates commission. So if you come to all brands here, you see all of the brands that are currently on impact. So here we have around 7,500 roles and offers that we can join on impact.com. So you can just click this arrow to select them by how you want it. So you can select by the percentage of payment, the payout amount, select payout amount. I want to work with the highest amount. All right, so we can get up to $100, 6%, 40%, and all of that. However, you want to find a particular offer that is in line with what you do. So you can come here, come to categories, and you can find the different categories that actually fits into what you want to do. You can alternatively come right here and search for the name of the offer, and then you can basically just join the offer, and then you want to generate your affiliate link. So I already have some offers that I've joined, so I'm just going to get some of these offers, and then we can proceed. So if you click right here, you can see some of the links you have. So as you can see, I have some of these stuffs right here. So let's say I want to do for InVideo. So let's use InVideo in this case. So I'm just going to select InVideo. As you can see, this is my affiliate link. And then I want to move everything I'm doing. I want to make sure that people come to this affiliate link. So you just need to copy this link by just tapping on it. So if you tap on it, you've copied the link, and we are basically done. So another way to find your links is to come to at the top here. You want to also come to discover again, and then you want to come to my brands. This is where you find all the brands that have approved you to actually affiliate for them or to be in business with them. So this is where you find all the brands that have approved you. So in this case, let's say we want to do InVideo. So if you click on InVideo, you see how much you can earn from InVideo. All right, so you can see the different earning options you have here. So for the Android, because InVideo has an app, you earn 25%. For iOS, you also earn 25%. And then for the paid subscription, which is basically the same as this one, you earn 25%. And then the recurring percentage will be 50%. So for the AI video, you also earn between 25 to 50%. So if you come to details, you see all the information that you need. You see all their service area and all of that. So what we want to do here is basically copy the link. So we have an affiliate offer. So now we want to go to ChatGPT and we want to create a system that we'll use to market our offer. Remember, we are going to be using just Facebook for organic. So I have this prompt. I'm going to put the prompt in the description of the video, and you can use this prompt to generate what you want to affiliate. So you want to create content ideas using just AI. So in my case, as you can see, this prompt says act as my Facebook organic marketer. Remember, we are focusing on organic marketing, so we are not using paid ads. So in this case, I had asked it to promote. I want to promote electric bikes. All right. So in my case now, I'm just going to replace it with in video. So you want to replace your own with whatever that you are marketing. I'm just going to copy this now, and then I want to come to ChatGPT. So you can use any AI that you like Claude and the rest, but I'm just going to use ChatGPT. So I want to paste it right here. Again, the instruction is that it should act as our organic marketer, and we want to promote in video. You can say in video AI or in video, and want to use viral short style post that will post on our Facebook profile and all of that. So its job is to first create our audience, people we can target, and then it can create 5 viral short post ideas that are not more than 70 words. It will create 3 meme test post ideas, 2 storytelling posts, 3 engagement questions, 5 soft call to action examples, and it should make the content to sound relatable. In my case, I'm targeting Nigerians, but you can tell it to make it just friendly so that it can target the world. So you can say, come here, tell it to make it globally friendly so that we can go outside the Nigerian stuff. So you can say focus on daily transportation. Because we are using in video, we are going to be focusing on AI and content creation. All right, so we can just say you should focus on I'm just going to remove transport struggles here, or we are just going to tell it to just focus on struggles and blah blah blah. Or we can just remove this part for now, so it just gives us the first idea, and then we just click enter. As you can see, it's going to give us the audience. So the audience for in video will focus on content creators, because this is what in video is about. It will also focus on digital marketers, small business owners, affiliate marketers, side hustlers, coaches, freelancers, and the rest. So this is going to be the age, and then it's going to be mobile first. And that's why we are going to make our post as short as possible, because we don't want people to lose interest. Again, this is their desires. They want to grow and make professional videos on social media like Facebook, YouTube, and all of that. Other people want to use it for their business growth without a lot of tech. So here you can see this is a short viral post. I made a full YouTube video in 10 minutes without touching a camera. People are interested in stuff like this. This AI tool is white. So you put it in the description or in the comment section. I'll show you how to do that. So confession, I am not a video editor, but my videos looks like Netflix trailers. Wanna know how, blah, blah, blah. So these are like viral stories or viral post ideas that actually do well on Facebook. So the third one here is the meme type. Also, memes are actually very good. So it says when you finally found a video tool that doesn't make your head spin. So you can just find all these funny memes on Facebook. Some of the ones that are trendy, you can just recreate them. And then I'm going to show you an example again. So again, these are also memes, trying to edit videos manually versus me letting AI handle it, those kind of stuff. So this is also very good. Relatable hustle vibe. I used to avoid video marketing because editing felt like rocket science. Editing is actually hard. Then I found a shortcut, which is in video. Now I create clean pro, blah, blah, blah. So you see, we already have content that we can push. all right, using just AI. As you can see, this took us less than 5 minutes to generate, and this is actually good because we are going to market focusing on a particular niche. So now what we've done is we've joined the affiliate marketplace, we've generated our idea. So the next step is actually to come to Facebook. So I am now in Facebook, and then I have created this page that I've used for something else. I've used this for another tutorial before now. So you can just make a Facebook page that is in line with what you want to create. I have a video on how to make a Facebook page, so I'm not going to cover that. So after you copy your affiliate link, you want to come to Google and search for shorten URL. So you can use anyone right here. So you can use this first one, shorturl.at. So you want to come to this website and you want to shorten your affiliate link. All right. So you want to come here and you basically just want to paste your link, and then you just want to shorten it. So after shortening it, you want to copy it again and keep it somewhere. Remember, all of our effort is going to be around getting people to this link, but we want to do it well. So we want to do what is going to be beneficial to our audience and also to us. So this is your page, and this is how you actually start promoting this by creating viral content. So you can basically look for viral content ideas and start posting, but AI has given us that idea already. So short posts and memes are actually doing very well on Facebook. So this is why we asked ChatGPT to do that for us. So I'm just going to put the affiliate link I made here so I don't look for it later, or you can just put it somewhere. So just so you know, once they click on this link, it's going to take them to your affiliate offer. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. So if you copy the link and you put it right here, this is where they are going to land, and this is what the interface is going to look like. So this shows that this is an affiliate link. So anytime you see this click ID equals blah blah blah, it shows that it's an affiliate link. So for you to know how much you are going to earn, because we just saw 25%, 30%, you want to come to pricing, and the total amount for subscriptions is what you are going to earn. So as you can see, in-video charges as high as $28 per month, and that's basically the base price. So they also have a free plan that people can use, but this free plan is limited and all of that. So if you come to the top here, you see how much you can earn. So let's say somebody wants to get plus. As you can see, this is 300 and something per year, and that is, you are going to be earning around 25% of that. All right. So we are done with that, and what we want to do now is we want to actually come to make our post. So we want to come back to ChatGPT. Remember, ChatGPT has given us what to do. So what we can do now is start with our first post. Here it says I made a full video in 10 minutes and I didn't even touch a camera, so I can just copy this. So if you copy it, you come here, you want to paste this. It says I made a full video in 10 minutes without touching a camera, and this AI is wild. All right, so you can basically just edit this, make it something like this. So we are basically ready, and you can remove this preview here, and you can go to the next phase, which is to publish this post. So you can set to the public so the public can see this post. You can share it to different groups if it is allowed, and then you can just basically click on publish. So this is basically the first step. So what we need to do now is, as you can see, this is our post. I made a full video on YouTube in 10 minutes, or I made a full YouTube video in 10 minutes without touching a single camera. This AI tool is wild. So if somebody clicks on that, it's going to take them back to our affiliate link. So as you can see, it brings them back to in video, which is our our affiliate link. So we now have our first post, and we just want to rinse and repeat the process. So AI has helped us with different posts that we can use. So we can now come here and look for any other one that we want to upload. So you can say, like this story one here, I used to avoid AI video marketing because editing felt like rocket science. You can basically tell it to rewrite that, or you can come here, give it the first one I've created, tell it to make related ideas, tell it to make something like create 10 related to this. And then if you click on send, it's going to give you even more. All right, so I made my first YouTube video in 10 minutes and my face even didn't show up once. This one is sort of more engaging. So it says this AI tool is carrying my whole content game. This is nice. Number 2, no fancy studio, no ring light, no awkward camera moment, just AI doing the magic. Full YouTube video in 10 minutes flat. Again, that's good. I used to think video content equals stress, then AI came along and humbled me, made a full video in 10 minutes in my PJs. Again, this is good. Spent 10 minutes making a video. People think I had a video editor. Nah, I hired AI for free. This is actually very good. Imagine making full video YouTube videos, no talking, no editing, no headache, blah, blah, blah. That is also good. I used to avoid YouTube videos. So you see that we're actually looking at videos on YouTube. So you can tell it to maybe create for, let's say, maybe TikTok. But if you're starting, it's always better to just focus on a particular platform for now. So in my case, I'll do more of YouTube since I do more of YouTube. So let's say try another angle. So we are just generating content that we can use. So I used to spend hours editing videos. Now I make videos in 10 minutes. Not a video editor, not a YouTuber yet. I made a YouTube video in 10 minutes. Technology loves me. So this is actually very relatable, and all you can do is you can just basically copy anyone you want. So you can just copy it, come back to Facebook, and the next day you can create another post and publish it. So you just want to do this consistently, and after some time you will start to gain traction. So you are not looking for followers, you are not looking for engagement, you are just trying to get in the front of the right people. Again, this one true story. I made my last YouTube video while eating Indomie. AI did the editing, I did the chewing. Actually, this is actually good. So again, you can come back here and then you can copy your URL and then you can post it. So you want to continue this repeatedly, and this is basically how you can just use AI, Facebook, and impact.com to actually earn in US dollars. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, ask me. My name is Good Noel, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.